You want to learn marketing management? Well, here's 7 best marketing management courses online, free, plus paid. First course, the Ultimate Beginner's Marketing Management course by Udemy. This course allows you to learn the fundamentals of marketing management from the very basics. Topics covered are: what is marketing? Assignment: how to market. What we market, the environment we market in. You will understand all about marketing. You will be able to market products and services. You will learn to enhance your marketing. You will learn to adopt various strategies to market your brand. You will learn to do promotion. The course is for anyone who desires to learn the skill of marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Marketing Management Masterclass 13-in-1 MBA level course by Udemy. This course teaches you marketing management in a very simple way. Topics covered are: market-oriented strategic planning, marketing environment, marketing research, demand forecasting, consumer markets, consumer buying behavior, business markets, business buying behavior, segmentation, targeting, and positioning, SDP, brand, product, new product development, and product life cycle, price, and pricing strategy, place/marketing channels, promotion/integrated marketing communications, IMC. You will gain knowledge about marketing management in detail. You will learn different ways to promote your products. You will learn the basic concepts of marketing. You will learn the various pricing strategies used by a company. You will learn to do marketing research to grow your business. The course is for anyone, especially students of marketing management. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Diploma course in Marketing Management by Udemy. This course teaches you marketing skills. Topics covered are: sales and service excellence, digital marketing, guerrilla marketing, design thinking, and creativity for innovation, business analysis techniques, business acumen, types of industries, retail industry, pricing, buying, and merchandising, supply chain management, barcodes, point of sale, POS, visual merchandising, customer relationship management, CRM, process improvement, legal, team management, luxury brands, communication and communication skills, email etiquettes, corporate storytelling, leadership quotient, LQ. You will learn about various types of industries. You will gain excellence in sales and services. You will learn about barcodes. You will learn to lead and manage a team. You will learn communication skills. The course is for anyone, particularly business owners, entrepreneurs, and management students. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Strategic Marketing Management by Udemy. This course enables you to learn and manage marketing in a strategic manner. Topics covered are: marketing strategies, competitors' strategy, key indicators in marketing management, tools of promotion, managing the sales force, the art of strategic marketing, digitization, and marketing management. You will learn to develop and implement various strategies for managing the marketing. You will learn about the tools used for promotion. You will gain the art of strategic marketing management. You will be able to understand competitors' strategies. You will learn to increase sales and revenue. The course is for anybody having passion for learning marketing management. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, the Complete Marketing Management course for Beginners by Udemy. This course provides you a step-by-step beginner's guide to learn marketing management. Topics covered are: concepts, process, functions, environment, Porter 5 forces, planning, research process, consumer behavior, organization buying behavior, segmentation. You will understand the concepts of managing marketing. You will gain knowledge about the tools used in marketing management. You will learn the process and functions used for managing the marketing. You will learn to manage the environment in a better way to grow marketing. You will be able to learn about consumer behavior. The course is for anyone who is interested and wants to learn about marketing management. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Marketing Management Capturing Marketing Insights by Alison, free course. This free online course teaches you about marketing insights and marketing management. Topics covered are: marketing information system, components, marketing research process, MDP, and MRP, exploratory research part 1, exploratory research part 2. You will be able to capture marketing insights. You will learn about the equipment and tools used in marketing management. You will learn to make decisions regarding managing marketing. You will learn to describe your problems and solve them. You will learn to do marketing research in order to grow your business. The course is for everyone who wants to learn marketing management for free and earn a course completion certificate. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about digital marketing, click on the I button. 7th course, Marketing Management 1 by Class Central, free course. This is the first part of the course on marketing management. It teaches you about principles and practices involving marketing management in an effective manner. Topics covered are Introduction to Marketing, Scanning the Business Environment, Marketing Information System, Marketing Research, Buyer Behavior, Generic Marketing Strategies. You will learn the core concepts of marketing. You will learn different planning processes. You will learn about the role of marketing information. You will learn the factors influencing consumer behavior. You will learn brand positioning and differentiation. The course is for anyone wanting to craft their skills of marketing management for free. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.